Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
You begin by gathering what's required and opening an insurer or comparison site: VIN, license number, policy history, and current mileage. Once done, enter driver DOB and vehicle year to seed accurate rates. This reduces manual verification later. Make sure to set your coverage goals now: liability limits, comprehensive, collision, and deductible amounts, because those choices change price immediately. This first step speeds quotes and prevents restarting forms when documents are needed during identity or MVR checks. You now compare quotes across multiple platforms to find the best net price and coverage mix. As you pull each quote, toggle deductible and limit settings to observe how premiums react. This shows you what trade-offs matter most. Also verify eligible discounts, multi-policy, safe driver, anti-theft, and low mileage, because small percentage cuts compound. Once you identify a favorable option, read the coverage summary line by line to confirm exclusions and endorsements before moving to purchase, so you avoid surprises at claim time. You complete purchase by uploading proof documents and securely entering payment. Choose EFT, card, or split payments as allowed. Once paid, download the e-policy and binder or e-card and verify the policy number, effective date, named drivers, and coverage limits immediately. If anything is incorrect, contact the insurer's chat or your agent within 24 hours. If the motor vehicle report or prior coverage verification delays issuance, ask for a temporary binder. Troubleshooting tip: save screenshots and reference numbers for faster resolution.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.